Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the shaper light in CapCut PC using transition and combine with effect. So first, I'm just going to add dash matches to the track, and after done, you are just going to select the transition and select light effect. So you can find shaper light. But this is pro effect. You have to join progress to be able to use this effect. So I add to the track and adjust the duration, select all the clips, and select effect to combine. Sorry, it duplicate. Right, you can select horizontal place to this pro effect also and see for the final result. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.